ngokuthanda izindaba ngazithola sengu-floor number 12 eMarble Towers, Braamfontein, Johannesburg. Angiyokhohlwa ukuthi ngitshele kwenzakalani. No, ngiyathunywa efamily la ngisebenza khona kuthiwa hamba udeliver nawo ama-document Marble Towers, bangibhalela phasi Braamfontein, ngiyabhala. Awufika lapha uye ku-level 3. Level 3 uyakubameli Skhosana and Du Toit attorneys, ufike ubanike nali document. Ngithi okay, hayi ngithatha iphepha bangibhalele lona, vele ngiyakhona. Mangifika ku ground floor lapha ngingena nosisi nobhuti kule lift. Hayi mina ngipress u3, bona bapress unumber 12. Hayi lo sisi athi, hayi mina uDoris ke ngamtshela, ukhuluma nalo bhuti ahamba naye. Hayi mina uDoris ke ngamtshela indaba zakhe ekseni size salanyulwa iPA yakhe. Uthi lo bhuti hawu bese kwenze njani ngoba ubuya ku leave? Athi yebo, njoba ngibuya ku leave ngiyangena officeini lakhe. Yangibetray i-lift. Ngavithi ting, wavuleka umnyango. Ngawubuka. Ngababuka bobabili. Bangibuka. Kwathuleka. Wathi lo bhuti, are you not supposed to get out here? Ngathi mina? Me? No. Ngibabona ukuthi bayabukana nabo manje sebaconfuse nyana ukwenzakalana. Hayi, phela ilindanga thina ilift, iphinde ikhale ilift. Ting, uvaleka umnyango. Chubeke yephezulu. Chubeke usisi. Ya, hayi ke angiye officeini lakhe njoba ngibuya ku sick leave, ngifike sengigcwalisile iform lami le sick leave, ngiattachile medical certificate, ngimnike uDoris. uDoris athi lenje, hi, and you don't look like someone who was sick. Hey, ngamphoqa ngathi hey, since when are you a doctor? Believe lapha yachubeka. Awusengilalele nami ngive ngibukisa le envelope yami ebrown yale document bengimele ngiyimikisa level 3. Uthi wathini kubuza lo bhuti, wathini manje usho njalo? Uvele wathi am I talking back? Ngathi Doris, you are not my child. So liyachubeka ilift. Hayi, futhi yazi le lift ngiyayizonda leya ngoba indaba yathi ngakapheli futhi yaphinde yakhala ting, yavuleka seyibhale level 12. Baphuma ngabalinda solo bayachubeka nendaba yabo, kodwa ngiyafuna ukwazi ukuthi ihambe yafika phi indaba kaSisi noDoris. Angibazi bonke, kodwa le ndaba usisi uyicoca kamnandi, yazi ngiyayibona ngamehlo enqondo. Manje ngithi angeke phela ngibalandele, manje ngathi sebaya ema-ofisini manje ngathi sebaya kulo Doris, vele nabo le ndaba sebazoyikhatha short, yabona. Hayi, ithi ngakavali ngiphume. Mangiphuma abingelele lo receptionist, welcome. Are you going to use the card system or biometrics? Are you registered with the card system or biometrics? Ngithi biometrics? Athi okay, you can use your fingerprints and enter. Ngithi card system. Athi are you using the biometric system or the card access system? No, I'm looking for a bathroom. I-security pants le ku ground floor lingitshela ukuthi ama bathroom atholakala ka level 12 mangena ku lift ngipress 12. Oh no ways, every floor has a bathroom, male and female, so I don't understand. Might have been a new security guard. They're always confused. Yay, manje ngiyabuka ukuthi ngoba ngathi manje kuzofuneka labo biometrics nabo access system mangibuyela phasi ngizokwenza njani. Hayi kwankosa. Ma'am, please help me. I don't have the access of biometrics and whatever. Please take me back. Please take me back to ground floor because I only wanted the